Hey guys, Sokol here, coming to you with an update for QuickAlerts. We're up to version 2.8.0 now. This new update adds the feature for QuickAlerts to work with Google Spreadsheets through Google App Scripts. I'm going to walk you through the process of getting that set up here, and I'll tell you a few of the things that it can do. So to begin with, we're going to start with the new gist that has all the instructions we'll need. And that can be found by going into the QuickAlerts app drawer and then use Google Spreadsheets with QA. So to start with, we have an empty spreadsheet here that I just barely created. And we're going to need to add the Google App Script API to the spreadsheet. So we're going to go Tools, Script Editor, which is going to pull up the app script project that's attached to the spreadsheet. Although first we should rename the spreadsheet to QA sheet. Name of the spreadsheet doesn't matter. That's just so we know how to get back there easily. So the next thing we need to do is grab the code.js from this gist. So we're going to click on raw to get the data, copy it, go back, paste it into here. We're going to name this the QA Sheets API. So we'll save this. And we're going to walk through the next few steps on how to get this set up. Okay, so we've saved the project. We're next going to need to publish it. Click deploy it as web app. It's a new project, so we just say new version, and we can just say QAG Sheets 1.0 message. And you can just leave this as only myself has access to the app. Click deploy, and then it'll tell you we need to do authorization. So we're going to review permissions. Make sure you choose the Google account that will be using Chrome when you're using QuickAlerts. So because this app hasn't been verified by Google, they're just saying that we don't know it yet and it's not trusted. So you go to advanced and you say go to QAG Sheets API, unsafe, and it's telling you that it can edit the spreadsheet that we just created. Click allow, and now it's been enabled. So after you do all of that, it gives you a URL to be able to interact with this script. So we're going to copy that URL and bring it into TradingView, and in the QuickAlerts app drawer, we'll put it in the G-Sheets URL setting. Now like that, we are all ready to go. So I'm going to start off by showing you what the auto backtester can do with Google Spreadsheets. We're going to go ahead and do just a regular backtest. Maybe we'll just do 5 time frames. Batch sizes are used to import partial batches into the spreadsheet as the batch is still progressing. So if you have a size of 1,000 different charts to check and you put the batch size at 100, then every 100 charts it'll pull in the current data into the spreadsheet. So now that we're just going to be testing 5, we don't need to use the batch ability here. And we'll click Start Backtest. Asks us if we want to use MiniTrader. That sounds great. And we'll just let it run. And then after it finishes, you should see a new sheet pop up in your Google Spreadsheet. And it says it's sending it to the Google Spreadsheet. And there it is. It's all the data that you expect to see. Now, if you want to just keep using the same spreadsheet and you want to add more data, you can do that. So let's say we want to do 6 through 10. And actually, let's make that 6 through 15. We'll do batch size of 5. We'll start the back test and watch it run. Okay, so we just got 5 new rows. Should pop into here now. There they are. And here is the last one. There's the set. So you can keep populating this spreadsheet, and it creates a new sheet based on the name of the backtester strategy that you are backtesting. And it has very similar functionality when you are using alerts as well. So we're going to go to my QA import chart. I'm going to pop open the alerts list. As you can see, I've got a few up here. And we're going to say export alerts. And just like that, it's been sent to the Google spreadsheet. Now, something you can do here is you can also send it back, which is pretty cool. So let's remake this alert on the 55-minute candle. Import alerts. So now it says we're going to delete one and create one. We say OK. We've moved to the 5-second candle. Now we're on the 55-minute candle. And there it goes. Right. This is a new account, so I need to auto accept warnings. Let's turn off order alerts and notify of mismatched alerts. Let's go ahead and give that another try. Let's change it to use a different setting here. I think maybe 70 will work better. There we go. Switched it over. So now that you've seen QuickAlerts working with Google Spreadsheets, if you've got any questions, go ahead and feel free to either send me an email through support@quickalerts.us or hit me up on Discord. Thanks, guys, and I hope that this new QuickAlerts feature works well for you and that you get everything you need out of it. All right, bye.